Alright, so this is my headlight. As you can tell, it's yellowed over the years, and I was told that I could use toothpaste to restore it. So we're gonna try and see if that actually works. So I have some regular toothpaste. I'm almost done with the tube. I didn't want to put my finger on the tube, so I just put some on the back of this red cup. And so we're just gonna take our finger and just pretty much put it in. Circle around. Oh, and I didn't prep it or anything. This is just, I just started putting toothpaste on it. Crazy, right? So I'm just gonna do half just to see the difference, or if we could see a difference. Okay. Put this down real quick. So just have some regular paper towel, and I'm just gonna rub it in circles. I'm not pressing very hard either, I'm just kind of making circles. Okay. I'll wipe this real quick. Now I'm just going to take another paper towel and some water. This is old water. And I'm just going to pour it on the paper towel like so. And just going to do circles, this time with the paper towel with water. I think I need some more water, so give me a sec. More water. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of the water out. And you can probably see that it's already coming together. All right. So take a regular piece of paper, or paper towel, I mean. I'm just gonna wipe it. Just to wipe some more of the excess off. we're gonna do the whole water thing again. Wow, that's crazy. This is just toothpaste that's in yours, in my bathroom. I was actually almost done with the toothpaste, so no money wasted. Okay. So, like I said, I only did half. This is the part that we did. Sorry about that. This is the part that we did. And this is the part that we didn't do. Guess I did a little bit more than half. But it's pretty cool. Probably want to put like some type of UV protection on it again, just to protect it better. But yeah, just dirt cheap. I don't know how long it took me. Less than 10 minutes for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and I'll see you guys then.